Active Campaign versus Pipedrive. So which CRM is better? Let's find out. Let's start with their features. Active Campaign focuses on advanced marketing automation and email campaigns, while Pipedrive shines in visual sales, pipeline management, and deals with tracking. Active Campaign acts like a hybrid CRM and marketing suite, while Pipedrive keeps things strictly sales focused. Next is their ease of use. Pipedrive is extremely intuitive. You just drag and drop deals, customizable stages, and a dashboard that anyone can learn in a day. On the other hand, Active Campaign takes longer to set up, but once you configured it, it can automate complex lead nurturing, email follow-ups, and segmentation far beyond Pipedrive's scope. So, when it comes to integrations, Active Campaign connects deeply with email, e-commerce, and customer behavior tracking, while Pipedrive integrates best with sales tools like LinkedIn, Google Workspace, and call tracking apps. Both of them sync with Zapier and third-party APIs, but ActiveCampaign wins for marketing depth. So let's go to the pricing and scalability. Pipedrive's plans start cheaper and scale cleanly with small teams, while ActiveCampaign costs more upfront but includes automation features that can replace multiple other tools, which saves you money in bigger setups. Now let's go to the performance and reliability. Both of them are very stable, cloud-based, and mobile-friendly. Pipedrive's mobile app is excellent for field sales, while ActiveCampaign's dashboards are better for marketing and campaign analytics. So, for final verdict, you can choose Pipedrive if you are a sales-focused team that values simplicity and pipeline clarity, and you can choose Active Campaign if you want a more powerful all-in-one system that merges CRM with automation and marketing intelligence. Both of them are great, and it just depends on whether you sell more or you market more. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.